Welcome traders to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy that helped me make my first $10,000 trading Forex. Now I have shown you guys this strategy before. This example is going to really be more clear for you to see how you can take bullish setups using this strategy. Remember guys, leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and let's go onto the chart so that I can show you this strategy right now. This setup here alone is responsible for making me a profitable trader and so many other traders who have given me their feedback, guys. This setup is very simple. Don't want to make the video too long, but if you watch and follow this procedure, and if you've been following everything I've been showing you on the channel, this setup is very familiar to you and it is a very profitable setup. Remember, you have to simplify everything when you're trying to trade and make profit. So here I have a bullish setup for GBP USD. It's an example I'm showing you here. So in a bullish candle, what I do is I mark its close. You can see this line here. I mark the close of that candle and I also mark its low. I put there a tradable box, which is this purple zone here. So on the next candle that is going to print for the next day, I want the market to come down inside of this zone using this kind of pattern, come down into the zone and then give me bullish setups within this tradable zone or near it. It can even be just slightly above the zone like this, just slightly like this. I can still get a setup here and take a trade. I want the market to pull back inside of this zone for me to be able to get my trades. This is a setup that works out all the time and every single day. It can work out on a daily chart or daily time frame. It can work out on the 1 hour, 4 hour, weekly, depending on how you want to trade. If you want to swing trade, you use a higher time frame. If you want to day trade, you use the daily chart as a higher time frame markings, and then you go down to the 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart to get your entries. If you're going to swing trade, you use this candle here as the weekly candle, and then you go down to the 1 hour chart to get your entries. But for this example, I want to show you how I would get a bullish setup for this current day that is printing for this GBP USD pair. Before we go on to the live chart so that I can show you how this works, guys, I would like to introduce to you a very nice prop firm that you can use to trade. Prop 365 is the easiest prop firm to trade with because they have really good rules that favor you, the trader, to be able to pass. You get funded from $5,000 way up to $100,000, as you can see here on their website. They offer 3 challenge types: 1-step, 2-step, and 2-step max. To purchase a challenge, you just go and click on buy challenge. You will be greeted with this page right here. You can choose 1-step, 2-step, or 2-step max. We have accounts ranging from $5,000 to $100,000. You have Trade Locker as the preferred trading platform that you'll be using. After you have done this, make sure you click on, you have a discount code right here, and then use the discount code that is in the description of this video so that you can get a 30% discount. So the discount code is 0750, and then you can click on apply. Watch how this will change. You can see now it is $31. You can start trading even if you are a low budget trader. So you can change this and choose the 2-step max, which is $45 with the 30% discount already applied. After you've chosen your account size here, you can be able now to click on next and then fill out your information right here, and then click on next and go and click on checkout, and then finalize the purchase of your challenge account. After you have purchased this, you can also go to their academy, which they have, which is the online academy, and you can study everything that you need to know as a beginner for you to get started on your journey with trading. Trading with the Prop 365 is the easiest thing you can do when it comes to funding, because you trade with peace of mind, knowing that the capital that is at risk is not your own capital. It is provided to you by Prop 365. When you pass your challenge, you will get your refund for the account fees that you used in purchasing your prop firm challenge, and on top of that, you get 80% profit split from Prop 365 on all the profits that you have made during your funded stage. Guys, take advantage of this and sign up using the link that is in the description of this video with Prop 365. Purchase yourself an account and start trading to maximize your gains in this industry. With Prop 365, you can trade any asset. You can trade Forex, you can trade crypto, you can trade stocks, you can trade a line of instruments for you to be able to trade with diversification. You are not limited to just a few instruments. You can trade at your own discretion. Go use the link in the description of the video, sign up with Prof365 and start your funding journey today. Remember to use the code I'll leave in the description of the video so that you can get a 30% discount. So we are here on the live chart. This is a daily chart here on GBP USD. The strategy depends on the market structure and the trend of the market. So I told you before, as you are trading, before you do these markings here, make sure that the market is creating higher highs, higher lows, or market structure is bullish. If you're going to mark a bullish candle, make sure market structure is bullish like that. And also try to make sure that a moving average, a 20-period moving average, is below the price, okay? It's below the price so that you can be trading in the same direction as the trend of the market, okay? So let me show you that on a live chart here. We're going to use live bar replay. So you can see that right now, this candle here, it is open. This one here that you're seeing here, it's open, okay? So yesterday's candle was above this moving average that you see here. This is a 20-period moving average. You can see here, it's a 20-period moving average. So we are seeing that this is a current bullish trend here. We are looking at the moving average to determine the trend in this case, okay? So I would mark yesterday's candle, right, which is the close of that candle, and then I mark the low of that candle, and then inside of it I want to put there a purple zone like this. This purple zone is what I am going to trade on a lower time frame, guys. I am going to click on a bar replay so that we can replay this current candle here and we see if we get any trades for today, okay? So click on the bar replay. I'm going to bring it right here and I'm going to double click. So today's candle is disappeared. We are going to replay it on a lower time frame. So on a lower time frame, we are going to go on to the 5-minute chart. This is the same purple zone that we have drawn on a daily chart. So what we are waiting for is we want the market to come inside of this purple zone and then break above the moving average and give us entries. Remember, this strategy gives you multiple entries. If you miss the first one, you can get the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Throughout the day you can get trades. Let us play along and see what happens. Let's play along. So you can see the market has pulled inside of the purple zone. Keep in mind that we are trading GBP USD, and GBP USD does not move so much during the Asian session. Sometimes it does move, but doesn't move so much in the Asian session. It moves mostly during the London session. So if you are awake during the Asian session, you can trade it still if you get the setup. If you are awake during London or New York and it gives you a setup, you can still trade it. The same setup, don't have to redraw. So let's play and we see if we get a break above the moving average. What we're waiting for is a break above the moving average. So here during the Asian session, we got the first setup. Let me just zoom in so that you can see. So we had this trade pull back inside of the purple zone, and then it went and broke above the moving average here and also here. We can take this first one or the second one. Let's just take this second one just for an example, and then our stop loss is going to be at this previous low like here, and then we are going to target a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio like this. So let's play and see if this wins. If it doesn't win, we'll still get another trade, okay? So we're in a drawdown. Let's play this and we see if we win. So yeah, the trade is playing along. It's playing along, okay? Do we get stopped out? Yes. So this stops us out. The first trade stops us out. We take a loss here. Remember, this is still the Asian session. We are moving towards the London session. So we continue playing ahead and wait for another setup. If it breaks above still, we'll take another trade, okay? So here, this candle closes above the moving average. So we are going to take another trade here. We put our stop loss below these previous lows, and then we target a 1-to-2 like that. We move this forward and we see if we can get a win here. If we get a winning trade, we recover, and then we also be able to stop trading for the day. Let me show you. Okay, we are in profit. We are pushing forward. We are pushing forward. Are we going to get stopped out? Not yet. We are back in profit. We're going in profit. Let's see. We're in profit. We are in profit. We are in profit, and we get a take profit there. So this trade recovers this first one and gives us a 1R. Okay, so we are so far in profit 1R. If you want to continue trading, you can, but I would advise you to stop trading here, and you'll have got yourself 1 hour for the day, you come back the next day and get another trade. But let's try and see if we get another setup, if the market comes back into the tradable zone. So wait for it to come back down. Okay, let's wait for it to come back down, and we see it's gone too far away from the tradable zone, so we don't trade there. Wait for it to retrace back down. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, it's back near, it's back inside the purple zone, so we're waiting for the market to break above the moving average near the purple zone so that we can trade. So here it breaks above, but it's not very near. We could take that trade, we could take this trade here, but it's a risky one. Can put our stop loss down here and then take profit at 1 to 2 like this. Okay, and then we see what happens. Okay, let's play along. We go into some profit. When draw down, we get stopped out. You can see this trade loses. So wait and see if we get another setup. When the market breaks above the moving average, we will be able to get another setup. So far we are at break even. We have 2 losses, 1 win with a 1 to 2. Okay, so when we get a break above, we take. Okay, so we have here, you see this previous candle here gives us a break above the moving average, so it would give us a good entry here. So we can enter our trade right here. Remember to follow this strictly. Okay, you can put your stop loss below these previous lows here, and then you can target a 1 to 2. Let's see if we get a 1 to 2, something like this, and then we see if we get this trade, right? We play along and we see if we win. Okay, you can see this market gives us a 1 to 2. So what happens is that for the day we have lost 2 trades and we have won 2 trades. So we are so far up 2R for the day. That is how you would trade. At this point, I would stop trading because there is no need of over trading. That is enough profit for the day. You've made your 2%. If you're risking 1%, you've made 2%. That's the end of the trading day. You come back the next day and trade again. You see guys, this is how I trade, and this strategy made me my first $10,000, and I know you guys, if you use it, you will also make your first 10K using this strategy. Remember guys, if you're finding value with this, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with someone who is struggling with trading, and bring value to their lives guys. Remember also, use the links in the description down below and sign up with Prop 365. Buy yourself a challenge so that you can take advantage of your trading skills to make money in this industry. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.